I'm not saying that the gurus, the influencers, are lying to you. I'm just saying this is the reality. Today, let's talk about how much money I've made on the Amazon affiliate link program. Yeah, that's right. No matter how many times I apply for the Amazon influencer program that's supposed to make people thousands of dollars, Amazon always says no. So nobody knows how many subscribers or what you're even supposed to have to get into that program anyways. So I just randomly try at least like once a month. Hold on, maybe we're dry. Okay, I randomly try at least once a month to get into this program. Doesn't happen. So I just focus all on my links. I'm just gonna spoil it for you right here. There's no money. It's bad, you guys. It's bad. I have not even hit like the $10 threshold overall. About a year ago, I signed up for the Amazon Associates program, and I didn't start really understanding how to use these links until about like 4 or 5 months later. Yeah, that's my bad, but I was trying to put a lot of eggs in my basket and not understanding any of the eggs at all. It was a problem. So it wasn't until I actually discovered Cypress Room, a YouTube channel. Maggie and Christina, they're amazing. And they were talking about affiliate marketing and how to do certain things. And they actually mentioned something called URL Genius, that no matter what kind of link that you have, it actually opens the Amazon app. Because you know what happens when you have a link to Amazon in your description, right? Yeah, it just opens Amazon. And if they're on their phone, it just opens Amazon without that person being signed in. So that person probably isn't going to use that link. They're just going to open up their Amazon app later on in the day, and you don't get commission on anything that they purchase because they're no longer using the cookies. Or I still don't completely understand the computer part. Not the point. However, the whole point of Amazon Associates links is that when they click on it, within 24 hours, whatever that person buys on Amazon, you get commission on that. I thought, this is so simple. This is so wonderful. Who doesn't buy at least one thing on Amazon a day, right? Wrong. Oh my God. It doesn't matter how many clicks I get or what it is that they click on in my affiliate links. There's no purchasing. I don't know what I'm doing wrong or what I could be doing more of, because there's just not a whole lot of information on this part. There's a lot of videos now on the Amazon influencer program where you make a video and use that as like a review on Amazon itself. That's a whole separate thing. I'm just talking about the links that you put in the description, your equipment, the t-shirt you're wearing, the water bottle you're using, the phone that you're using as a camera, you know, because you broke, so. Maggie and Christina from Cypress Room helped me figure out that part of my problem could be that people are clicking on my link and it's not actually opening the Amazon that that person is signed into already, so I'm missing out on that sale. Great, okay, so then I started using URL Genius. It's actually a really interesting way that it works. You go to Amazon, find the thing that you want to link, you get your text link, copy and paste, go to the URL guy, and it creates a whole destination for you. The cool part is you can actually put something in this little box. So I actually try to make that as descriptive as possible so that I know what the link is all about, compose it, and boom. We have a deep link address, which means that it's going to actually open their Amazon account that they use. So cool. And then you can even put tags on it just for yourself. Cool, we have 263 clicks just in this month. Now I know to some of you that might not sound like a lot, but for me, that's a pretty substantial amount. We're gonna go to today and find out they've had 17 clicks, 17 unique visitors, and then only 5 active links. So there's only 5 links that people are clicking on out of those 17 clicks. I go down and find out that people have been clicking on basically just the equipment that I use in my videos. This little guy down here, I think it was before I knew that I could just make my URL descriptive, but I did tag it. Yes, it's part of my, it's part of my puppy stuff, the Midwest dog pen. So anyways, that's how URL Genius works. The first 500 clicks are free. After that, every single click costs you 2 cents. And in your mind, you're like, well, I'm gonna make more money this way. 200% more. That's so awesome, right? Okay, well, let's go check out the real deal here. Let's start with November. November, about midway through, is when I started using URL Genius. And these are my stats, guys. You see that? You see that commissions right there? $1.44. It's awesome. Yeah. So here's the funky part. My ordered items. So these are the things that people put into their cart. I had 5. I was like, oh my God, this is so exciting. I can't wait. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm excited for it. And boom, these are the only things people ended up purchasing. Who is buying silica gel packets? What are you using that for? Just like buy a purse at Target and you'll get one. Oh, December, Q4, right? Like the Christmas season. I made so many videos trying to get people excited about like buying stuff, linking stuff that I actually really liked. December 1st through the 31st, I had 420 clicks. Again, I know that doesn't sound like a whole lot when you think about how many people should be clicking, but the fact is, to get clicks, you gotta get views. And to get those views turning into clicks, they have to have a reason to click. And most people don't have a reason to click. Let's just be honest. So let's see what happened in December. All those clicks, right? Ooh, $3.59. Oh, that one hurts. Especially because I had all these ordered items that I thought were gonna become something awesome. They just weren't very big commissions, and that's okay. I just feel good that at least everything that was put into a cart then turned into a purchase. Like at least I was doing okay. Well, here we go. Well, let's talk about 2024, when I really started ramping up the action because I realized that I hadn't put any of my equipment in my description below. My mic, computer, the phone that I use as a camera, all that kind of stuff can be put in the description so that people can click on it to potentially buy something. They don't have to buy the thing that you are linking. They just have to end up buying something and you get a commission on that. All right, the month of January was awesome. Over 1,000 clicks because I made a video about how to survive snow in Texas because hi, I live in South Texas. We were threatened with a snowpocalypse. It didn't happen, but it was really successful in that my video did well, my shorts did well off of that video, and then it's like not even funny. Like it's not even funny. $1.69? Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? 6 items ordered. So out of everything that I talked about, all the shorts, all the videos that I made with links and all the things that I linked, people, I talked about a pair of leggings in a video because I'm a Pilates instructor. I love these leggings, so I wanted to talk about them. 1 pair of leggings sold. And then somebody bought like a cute little romance novel. That's nice. All right, so from at least December all the way through the end of January, I made $5.28. So no, I'm not saying that the gurus, the influencers are lying to you. I'm just saying this is the reality. To get the clicks, you gotta get the views. To get those purchases, you gotta get the clicks. You know, it's like views to clicks to purchases, and here we are. But I am excited because I do feel like I'm starting somewhere, okay? I mean, at least we've got something happening. And every day I check on those clicks, and every day I have a little bit more hope, and then the next morning I wake up, nothing. But that's what I'm here to do. I'm not a real influencer, definitely won't ever want to do that sort of situation. I just enjoy making videos. I love it. I hope to one day be monetized on YouTube, specifically with this channel. I have a couple of other channels as well, but this one is the most fun for me because I kind of just do whatever I want. And that's why I called it All My Favorite Things, so that I'm always doing my favorite thing. Until next time, I'll catch you on the flippity flip. Oh, she's fine. It's fine.